Here's 8 examples of two-step equations. First one is 6x plus 3 equals 21. And we want to find out what x is. So we have to get this 6x alone first. So we're going to subtract out the 3 over here. And because we did it to the left side, we have to do it to the right side also. So now we just are left with 6x on the left side and 21 minus 3 on the right side, which is 18. So these got rid of each other. Now to get x by itself, since this is 6 multiplied by x, we just divide the 6 out. These 6's cancel, and we're left with x equals 18 divided by 6, which is 3. We get the eraser. Four x plus 13 equals 27. And again, we have to get 4x alone. And since we're adding 13, we have to subtract it over here and on the right side to keep things equal. These get rid of each other. 4x comes down here. And we have 4x equals 27 minus 13, which is 14. Now we have to divide out the 4 to get x alone. And we're left with x equals, what would that be, 3.5? Yeah. So either 3/2, or you could write, put 7 over 2 if you want it. All right, I'll erase this. Grab my marker. 3/7 y minus 2/7 y equals 2. And we want to figure out what y is. So first, we can actually just combine these since they're like terms. Combine these two. And 3/7 minus 2/7 would be 1/7 y is equal to 2. And now to get rid of the 1/7 over here, we can just multiply this by its denominator. But we have to multiply the other side by 7 also. So we're just left with 1y, or y, is equal to 2 times 7, which is 14. And that's our answer. Y equals 14. And you can, pause this. You probably should do them yourself and then watch me do it. Our next problem, 0.6x minus 0.3x equals 1.8. Again, we have like terms, so we can just combine these right off the bat to get 0.3x equals 1.8. Divide out the 0.3. And we're left with x equals 6. Because these 0.3's canceled and 0.3 goes into 1.8 6 times. All right, 6y plus 7 equals a negative 35. We have to get 6y by itself, so we have to subtract out this plus 7 on both sides. These get rid of each other. 6y equals negative 35 minus 7, which is negative 42. Divide out the 6 to get y by itself. These cancel out. We're left with y equals negative 42 divided by 6, which is negative 7. All right, 4x plus 8 equals 21. We have to get 4x by itself. So we'll subtract out the 8 from both sides to keep things even. These get rid of each other. 4x comes down, and then 21 minus 8, which is 13. And now we have to get rid of the 4 next to our x, so we have to divide it out. These cancel. We have to do it to the other side too. And we're left with x equals 13 over 4. All right, 9 over 2, or 9 halves, x, plus 11 halves, x, equals 10. Whoops. Equals 10. We can combine these. They're like terms. They have the same denominator. So 9 plus 11 is 20 over 2. X equals 10. 20 over 2 is just 10. X equal to 10. Now we have to get x alone. Divide by 10 on both sides. And we're left with x equals 10 divided by 10, which is 1. All right, one more. Point 2x minus 0.7x equals 6.5. We can combine the like terms. Or actually, yeah, we can combine the like terms, which would be negative 0.5x equals 6.5. We can divide out this negative 0.5. to get our x alone, and that'll be equal to, or I shouldn't have put that last line there, that line. Negative 13? Yeah. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below.